Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am super excited because I finally received my Mulan collection with Colourpop. This is what the PR looks like. It's the PR box. I bought it and I paid for it with my own money. It was not sent to me, but I love it, and the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's a magnet, and it's got all this gold and red detail, and these flowers are embossed. I know this is your first time here. Welcome. My name is Maria Luisa. I hope you decide to stay and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, before I go into this, I do want to take a moment to say that I am not tone deaf. I actually live in Minnesota where this tragedy happened, and I am really sad, and it's really hard. It's really a hard time for all of us, even across the nation, not just in Minnesota. So I don't want this to come across as that I'm just all happy and giddy filming away. I do care, but makeup is something that brings me peace and joy, and I think that's kind of what many of us need right now. I've been watching the news, and it just gets so overwhelming and so depressing. So when I saw this box arrive, I was really happy to just sit here and play with it, at least for a little bit. I have donated to the funds that are out there right now for him and for to rebuild our city. So I don't want anybody to think that I'm being tone deaf. I do not want to show that I don't care about what's going on. So I needed to mention that. Anyway, back to more happier things. So if you want to see what this collection is all about, keep on watching. First of all, this is it looks like a skincare. One of their skincare. Yep, this is the Jasmine Face Milk. Now, I already have foundation on and all that kind of stuff, so I'm not going to try any of this on. So this says the routine. Apply 2 to 3 drops into the palms and warm between the hands and gently press into the skin. Use as needed. So this is a lip mask. It says it's a gold lip mask. There is no smell, at least not a strong scent to it. It just smells clean. So, and then it has 2 blushes, and let's see, this one says Matchmaker and the other one is Good Luck Charm. So let's open up Matchmaker. So this is what it looks like. Oops. So, and then the other one, which is called, again, Good Luck Charm. So it's kind of like warmer tones, because this one, so these are the 2, so you can compare them. And then it comes with the lipstick, and this is what it looks like. The packaging is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am so impressed right now. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's the tube. Isn't that gorgeous? Just a beautiful collection. And even on here, it's got some rating. Now I'm going to sound really ignorant, but I think that's Japanese, Chinese. I'm not sure. So if you guys know, let me know. And this is what the color looks like. Look at that. That's the color. This one is called Hua Mulan. So this is what the box looks like for the liquid lip. This is the liquid lip color. It's got the Mulan name on it. So this is the red liquid lip. Then there is a lip gloss, and it's just a gold. Ooh, that would probably look really pretty with over the red. And now the pièce de résistance. I think I said that right. This is the actual eyeshadow palette, and this is the front, and it's got the names on the back. So let's see. Oh, and there is no mirror. Let me see. Oh, it's just embossing. There is no mirror, but these are the colors. So pretty. And, you know, of course, Mulan at the top. So it is a beautiful palette. It looks a little bit more for fall, to be honest. But we also have to remember that the collection and the movie were supposed to launch like 2 months ago. So, and let's see what look we can create. Let me go and prime my eyes and I'll be right back. All right, so now I have primed my eyes, and now I'm gonna start off with this creamy beige color right there. Okay, so there is kickback. So fair warning, there is kickback. All right, so now that I have that on, I'm gonna go in with Draft, which is this one right here. Kind of a deeper tone of Fighter, and kind of start making that transition. All right, so I went in with that darker color called Brave. And then I'm going to go into this one right here. It's kind of like a dark coppery type, but it's a matte. So, and I'm gonna go in with my Peaches and Cream, as usual. Peaches and Cream PC34, which is this small little brush. And I'm gonna go right here. And blending these shadows is super easy. They're really, really nice to work with. So I'm gonna go again with a smaller brush even. I'm gonna go into Guiding Spirit, which is this dark brown. And I'm gonna just keep that one on the outside of my eye. I got with a smaller PC22, smaller Peaches and Cream brush. And start right there. Right there. Look at how beautiful those blended out. So I put some concealer in the center here, as you can see. Not too much, but just to kind of really lighten that up. And then I'm going to go back later with the dark, you know, to darken up the outer edges. But now I'm going to go in with some shimmers. So for shimmer, I'll start off with this red. It's called Undefeated on the outer third of my eyelid. Let's see what happens. Oh, I do have a little bit of fallout. So, all right, so I applied it on both outer thirds. It's beautiful. The shimmers are beautiful. And then I'm going to go into Like a Girl, which is kind of more of a champagne shimmer. Put that right here. All right, so it looks like it ended up working better with my finger. I used my ring finger. What is it? Undefeated was really easy to apply with a wet brush, but Like a Girl ended up working a lot better with my ring finger. The center of the lid right here, I'm gonna go into this coppery tone right there. And putting that right between these two. So one blended into the other, so it goes kind of like a champagne coppery blend. There is fallout, so you're gonna have to either put on, I recommend, not telling you what to do, but I recommend putting on some shadow guards. So, because the shimmers are crumbly and they are gonna fall under on your cheeks. You don't want to ruin your foundation. For me, I'm gonna take it off because I'm going nowhere after this. For eyeliner, I am gonna go into, this one is Laura Geller. The eyeliner is called Incredible. So I-N-K, and then it's kind of like this retractable. And I have smudged that, I put that eyeliner on. And now what I wanna do is go into Legacy. I'm gonna insert swatches for the palette. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this angled brush, and I'm just gonna go right there. Ooh, definitely fallout. Now that I have that, kind of with that liner, I'm gonna go in with this little brush from Morphe. It's the M506, and kind of blend that in with the rest of this little corner right here. So I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back with some lashes and I did put mascara. So to quickly finish the bottom lower lash, I am going to use a flat brush. So I'm going to go into this Legacy really dark brown with little sprinkles of glitter and just kind of press that right there. All right, so then I'm going to use the MAC 221S, which is a nice fluffy brush. And then what I want to do is find a nice color that would be nice to blend this brown out. And I think that would be Strength, which was that orangey second color that we use on the top. And so I pretty much look up in my mirror and just kind of blend that out. So now that I've done that, I kind of want to put a little bit of the red shimmer in there. I think it might look fun. Which can I use to put that little shimmer in there? I'm going to use like this little brush and see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks nice. I mean, you don't have to, but I love little pops of color. Yeah, that's pretty, I think. What do you guys think? So the eyes are done. Oh, what am I thinking? I still need the inner corner shimmer. So I'm going to go into Strike a Match, which is this kind of lighter even gold champagne. And then up here to highlight the brow bone. The eyes are done. So now let's try out the blush. So I'm going to go in with Good Luck Charm, which is the darker one, and take my little trusty Morphe Y4. Very beautiful, subtle pink. I like it. And then since there's no highlighter, I'm going to try is the key word, to use this same Strike a Match for a highlight. This is the Strike a Match one right here. Like I said, it's very glittery, so I don't know if it's gonna work. I am a disco ball. All right, so let's just move on. And I'm gonna use the Carly Bible Il Maquillage lip liner in the red. So it looks pretty similar to the color of that liquid lipstick. All right, now that our lips are lined, it really helps when wearing a red to make sure you line your lips, and it helps with any bleeding. It's a very creamy liquid lip. It doesn't feel drying. It's like very velvety. I like that. And again, I'm going in with this Phoenix color. All right, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Again, I insist, I think this is gonna be beautiful for the fall. I think I've said that a million times, but I love it. I can see myself doing other looks with it, which I think I'll try out and post them on Instagram. But I do love the blush. The blush is gorgeous. The shadows are super easy to blend. I recommend first doing your eyes or put on any shadow guards before you do your eyes. The lip color, the liquid lip, is super creamy, non-drying. So I don't know, I really love the whole collection. I think they did a beautiful job with it. Go Colourpop. And if you're a Mulan lover like me and my daughter, I think you should. I totally recommend getting it. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as it helps my channel immensely. Thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please take good care of yourself, of your family and your loved ones, and everybody right now. The whole country is in my prayers, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.